we would like to give an update as to the impeachment proceeding. So, as we all know, ongoing ang ating marking of exhibits. And as a matter of fact, we are on day 3. I wish to share that indeed the documents for confidential fund is really voluminous. As a matter of fact, the prosecutors have expressed their uncertainties as to whether the marking will be finished by Thursday. And that is why we reached out already to Secretary Bantug through Secretary General Chaloy Grafil, whether there are other measures which may be considered to be able to expedite more the process of marking the exhibits. We understand that the position of the prosecution is to push through with the original timeline, which is likewise pronounced by Secgen Bantug during our PTC, and that is on July 6. And that is why we are really reaching out to Senate Secretary to consider additional measures, no? Right now, there are 4 teams who are facilitating the marking of exhibits. One is assigned for unexplained wealth, and the 3 other teams are all assigned to confidential fund. Regardless of having 4 teams, the private prosecutors, including the public prosecutors who are monitoring, have expressed already their uncertainties about the possibility of finishing until Thursday. And that is why we are soliciting for additional measures kung paano mas bibilis pa and hopefully matapos tayo within this week. No? And then likewise, the prosecution team is discussing about the following concerns. Etong isa ay na-share na natin during past interviews, the adoption of Filipino language and English language to be the official languages to be used during the impeachment trial. That's one. Second is we are considering, we are still discussing, we're still considering about the possible adoption of the rule on disclosure of witnesses at least 3 days before their presentation, no? We are also discussing on the possible participation of public and private prosecutor in the presentation of a witness. That means that the public and the private will participate in the presentation and conclusion of the testimony of one witness. And our BIR box, we are discussing the same as well about the possibility of opening it, of course, with the permission of the impeachment court at the soonest possible time. So that would be all for the opening statement. You can raise your questions to Kong Joel.
All right. First question from Vivian Hingulio.
Good afternoon, Kongs. Dito po sa na-mention ninyo na you're reaching out to the Senate Secretary kung paano po mapapabilis pa itong marking of evidence. Ano po yung mga proposed measures ng House? At nakausap nyo na rin po ba yung defense about this?
Well, unang-una, we are contemplating on adding more teams and additional dates. So, alam namin na Friday and Saturday walang pasok ang Senado, pero because of these voluminous documents, kinukonsider na rin namin na pati yung Friday tsaka Saturday, kung papayagan tayo, na magamit na rin.
Nakausap nyo na po yung defense. Are they amenable to that measure?
We haven't talked to the defense. We actually reached out to Sec Bantug through Secretary General Chaloy Grafil, no? So we don't know kung anong status na nung communication na yon, but definitely we will be communicating with our SecGen as to whether the same has been relayed already and as to whether the same has been discussed already with the defense. Just to give you an idea how voluminous the exhibits for confidential fund, yung DEP's document evidencing payment for DepEd, it's 1,900 approximately, no? And then for OVP, it's 2,000 plus. And we understand that the defense is soliciting marking on separate document, which means parehas yung exhibits namin Nevertheless, the position of the defense is to have their own marking in their separate set of documents. So you can imagine how time consuming is this. Magkakaroon ng comparison of document before marking, one for the prosecution and next for the defense.
And then yung mga na-mention po ninyo na adoption of English and Filipino, rules on the disclosure of witnesses, participation of public and private prosecutors, BIR box opening, nakalaman po ba ito doon sa submission ninyo yesterday?
We will be finalizing our position regarding those matters, and whatever will be the decision of the team, we might be filing a manifestation tomorrow.
Also, yesterday po, I understand yung deadline for the filing of comments doon sa stipulations ng kabilang kampo. Nabasa nyo na po ba yung doon sa submission ng defense, and what's your comment on that?
Well, na-browse lang natin, no? But you will remember, na-share na rin sa media, I think yesterday, that our comment to their purposes for which the witnesses are being presented are very general. And that is why we are asking for a more specific purpose for the witnesses' presentation.
Next question, please.
Good afternoon po, Congresswoman Luistro and Representative Chua. Ann Soberano po of Bombo Radio Philippines. Ma'am, sa day 3 po ng pre-trial conference, may mga procedural issues na po bang nalinaw o nananatiling pinagtatalunan pa ng defense and prosecution? Kung meron po, ano po ito?
Wala naman po, marking pa lamang po, tuloy-tuloy pa lamang ang marking natin. Kagaya nga po ng nabanggit kanina ni Chairman Luistro na hindi pa rin po ito matapos-tapos dahil doon po lamang sa confidential fund, more or less we are talking of 4,000 documents to be marked. So, on the part of the prosecution. So, medyo mahaba po, maraming dokumento. Kaya nga po, kami po ay humihingi ng karagdagang araw at saka kung papayagan din kami, additional team.
Sir, are you optimistic na papayagan po kayo?
Well, in the interest of fair play, para naman po maipresenta natin itong lahat dahil ito pa parte po ng mga dokumento na amin pong gagawing ebidensya. So tayo naman po naniniwala na papayagan naman po tayo.
Sir, on my isa pa po. May mga testigo po bang tumangging humarap o makipagtulungan? O makipagtulungan pa hanggang sa ngayon? Kung meron po.
Well, bawal po kaming sumagot dyan in the meantime.
Okay. Sir, on the other, last one na po. Mayroon po bang motion mula sa depensa na sa tingin nyo ay maaaring makakaapekto sa takbo ng kaso? Thank you.
So far, wala naman po kaming motion na natatanggap. Ngayon po kasi pinagkakaabalahan po parehas ng prosecution at ay depensa ay parehas po yung marking. Sana po matapos na po ito.
Good afternoon po, Prosec Luistro and Prosec Chua. Ma'am, kahapon, dun sa manifestation na pinasa, nilahad na ng prosecution team yung concern na dapat ma-justify ng defense team kung bakit maraming magkakaparehong ebidensya and exhibits. Pero apart from that problem, ma'am, is it right to say na it seems na yung gusto ng depensa na separate na pagmamarka ng ebidensya kahit pareho lang, isa po yun sa nagpapatagal ng pre-trial ngayon?
Well, masasabi po natin na pwede pong ganun, isa rin po yan sa magiging dahilan. Pero siyempre may mga iba naman po talaga na antayin na lang po natin siguro, no, na yung depensa ay maglahad ng kanilang mga salisay.
Kanina po, ma'am, we received a picture that the prosecution panel conferred with some of the defense team members. Ano po yung napag-usapan kung pwede pong malaman?
Wala naman po kaming
Can you be particular about the members of the prosecution team? Because I don't recall having
Yes,
a
ma'am.
close encounter with them.
Opo. A picture po in the table and then the caption sent to us is that members of the prosecution panel led by Prosecutor Jinky Luistro confer with members of the defense team during the continuation of the third day of the pre-trial conference po.
Well, that is the actual marking of exhibits, no? We were there, of course, because the private prosecutors are acting under the direct control and supervision of the public prosecutors. As a matter of fact, we make sure that there is always the presence of public prosecutor, so that when I left around noontime, I made sure that Congressman Terry Ridon is there to watch over the marking until the conclusion in the afternoon. So yung nakita niyo pong picture, I am not actually conferring with the defense. We are witnessing the actual marking of exhibits, which is attended by the prosecution, the defense, and the impeachment court represented by the Senate officials.
Thank you, ma'am. Last na lang po from my end. You mentioned po about the DEPs. Yun po bang sinumite rin ng NBI during the Justice Committee proceedings, yung mga may pirma po, confidential fund receipts, and as well as the others from the PSA? Kasama po ba yun sa volume sa documents na minamarkahan ngayon?
Well, I can only confirm that the documents presented during the Justice Committee are included. We cannot go deeper than that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Leones, can you return?
Balikan ko lang yung comment ni Joel kanina about the marking of common exhibits, no? Usually, kapag common ang exhibits ng prosecution and defense, no? Although subject to agreement din naman, possible na pwedeng ang marking ay same document. But in this case, hindi siya nangyari because the position of the defense is to come up with their own marking on a separate set of documents. So, yung process ng presentation ng documents for the purpose of marking, separate yun sa prosec, separate yun sa defense. So, it makes it more time consuming. And if we're talking about around 4,000 documents, then it is as if you are marking 8,000 documents. But of course, we understand that because it falls within their discretion to maintain that position, no? I just want to share that in a court proceeding, it is possible. Same document, it bears the marking of the prosecution and at the same time, the marking of the defense.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Yelens Kapati, GMA News Online. Ma'am, kasi I understand kasama rin po yung stipulation sa pre-trial conference. Meron na po bang napag-agrihan ang prosecution and the defense? Of course, aside from yung very general lang na the vice president is the sitting vice president, kasama rin kasi yon. And she's from Davao, yung mga ganun. Pero any salient agreements po, meron po ba kayo napagkasunduan with the defense in terms of stipulation of facts po? Thank you.
Well, pasensya na po kayo dahil limited lang po pwede namin sabihin. Basta lahat po ng mga agreements po namin ay sinumiti na po namin ito sa impeachment court.